All right, well today we're here at my place of business. Say hello, boys.
Hi.
And we are going to tackle some boat projects today. We have got to replace, I'm going to turn this around so y'all can see. So we are going to, we pulled the generator, and we'll show you that in a minute. But this is the old starter. The actual starter itself was good. This solenoid right here is bad, and that's the part that pulls this out to engage it. So that'll be here in a couple of days. But for today, we've got some other projects. Our trim tab pump came in. So we're going to replace our trim tab pump. And then for Christmas, Grandpa, who y'all met a few videos ago, bought us a new Garmin. So we'll be installing both of those today.
Can you make your own screens on that?
Yep, you can decide what you want on the screen, and you can have multiple screens. So we got those. We've got a friend of mine coming out today. So in addition to doing those, I've got a friend of mine coming out today that's going to help me figure out the new tables that we need to build. And we pulled our refrigerator, and we decided that the way we use the boat, we're probably not going to spend the money to put a new refrigerator in. So what we're going to do is we're just going to turn that into a cabinet, and then we'll get a nice Yeti cooler, and there's a spot on the back of the boat that we can put that. Our boat's not one that we're going to be living aboard full time. It'll be at most maybe a week. So enjoy. All right, look boys, here's our generator. See, we pulled it out. Can you turn that back on, Caleb? Thanks, buddy. So here's our generator that we pulled off, and our starter goes right over here. So when we get that back, we'll replace all that, we'll clean it all up, and see if we can get it running. Did you hit the red button?
Uh-huh.
Is it going?
Yes.
All right. So here's our old one right here. And here's our new one. Nice and pretty. Case. Yeah, all nice and clean. We'll swap that out. Fill it with automatic transmission fluid. Should work, right, guys?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right.
Might okay.
Turn it off now, Chase.
Might not, cause.
All right, so here we are. Say hello, boys.
Why do we color the electric tape?
So, what do you boys? What's missing?
The thing back there.
What would we just look at? It's called the generator.
The generator.
Yep. So we're gonna get down in there and we're gonna clean. Hold on. We're gonna clean all that out, and then we'll run our wires, like those sensors, right down over here, right there, and right there. Those two sensors with those wires don't need to be there. And then there's one mounted on the transom that we're gonna pull out, and then we're gonna get rid of. We had our old GPS unit right here, so we're going to get rid of that. And this is our fish finder that we don't need anymore. And this depth gauge we don't need. We're going to replace the depth gauge probably with a battery monitor. And then I'm thinking we're going to try and put our new GPS unit somewhere up in here. We'll have to test fit it and see what we like. So that's our project for today. See how it goes. Hang on.
Squirting. Oh. That's the gas. So do I squirt it?
Hang on, I'll come down and help.
Aw, these. Can I just like squirt it?
Ouch.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'll be all right. Where are you squirting? Let's get all those pieces out of there.
Can't see it, Dad.
I know.
So can I stop the video?
Hang on, watch out.
I just picture while you video.
Yeah, I
So
can
now
take
that picture is a good video.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
They would just see.
Why don't you come over here? Chase, stand right there. Can you shoot a film down in that way? Can you get us that way?
Let go. Yeah, part of it.
Push it in.
I can't.
You can. Okay, your hands get dirty. Alright, hold on. Let me see.
I want to trade now.
Alright, come on out of there.
I want to do it.
Oh,
Foot up there.
Caleb, feel. I want to do
Grab
it.
my phone.
I want to do
Stop.
it.
Go ahead. Alright.
Whoa, whoa! Dude, you almost
You told you should
put me
stay
the other
seated.
way.
There you go. Just
There.
squirt right here. Squirt right here and rub and sit after we clean it. Okay, that's good. Now scrub. You getting him?
Now that's part of the video.
Turn your rag around and do the other side too.
Hey. Can I stop the video?
Yeah, you can stop.
That was like Carter's
That'll work.
a box and a bag. Clean towel on the front. So can you get it mixed up? As we're clean towels on the front. No way you can get mixed up there.
Can someone film it? My arm is
Okay, you can turn it
itchy.
off, Chase. That's all we need. So these are transducers for some of the equipment that we're getting rid of that we don't. It's either broken or we don't need anymore. That one is glued to the bottom of the hole, so we'll have to scrape that out of there. We'll peel these back. We'll peel those wires back. Let's see here. And then we'll follow them up. And they disappear right up in there. And they go out the front. Okay, you can stop that. Where you at? Poke your head up to the thing. Hi. Hello. What are you doing back there?
I'm trying to cut the twist tie.
Can you get to that? Change hands.
Oh, there's a broken pipe up here.
It's not broken. That's your vent for our blower.
Oh, then why is it ripped?
Watch your back, Chase. Don't get burned by the light.
Can I move up to there, Dad?
Can you reach in there? Hey, Chase, climb in there. Put your head in there. Climb in there. I'm going to show you. Carter's going to show you what he needs done. Climb in there. Climb in there.
Twist tie off. Okay. Don't
That's
cut
good.
the wires. Cut the twist tie.
Zip tie.
Cut the zip. Hold the pliers. Just hold the pliers, Chase.
Take the pliers.
I don't think I can do it
Yep.
with this little space.
I'll get in there with you. Hang on.
Dad, can you do it?
You're fine. You're doing fine.
Poke my hand.
Reach. Just reach up there. Hey, you see that zip tie right there?
Yeah.
Just squeeze it. You can do it with two hands if you need to.
Wow, this is hard.
Open it up.
I can't.
No, open it. It means pull apart, not squeeze. There you go. Not the wires, just the zip tie.
I know. Want me to get in there, Chase?
Yeah, squeeze up in there, buddy. Put your legs out straight, Chase, so Carter's got room. You can lay on top of everything in there.
Hi, Glenn.
Chase, you stay right there, buddy. You're doing good. It's just not fair. He can stand up in there. Squeeze with 2 hands. There you go.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Good job. Okay, can you stay there, Carter? Because I'm gonna pull. I want you to pull on those wires. Chase, can you stay there? Caleb, can you film everybody from right here where you're standing? It's filming right now. Don't cover it with your finger. All right, Carter, hang on, because we're gonna pull those wires out. Hang on, buddy.
I'm doing it absolutely still. Dad, you're shaking the boat.
You know what? We're gonna have to do that in a minute. So both of you boys, you can climb on out of there now.
Hey, it's video all black.
Careful where you step your feet.
I tried to get my head out. Dad, can I get in here and get out?
In a minute, yes, but hang on.